In this video, I'll show you how to log into Microsoft Teams. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a quick refresher, signing into Microsoft Teams is the first step to joining chats, meetings, and collaborating with your team. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. If you already have the Teams desktop app installed, you can also open it directly from your computer. Once you're on the Microsoft Teams sign-in page, click the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. This is usually your work, school, or Microsoft account email. After entering your email, click Next. Now, enter your password and click Sign In. If your organization uses additional security, such as multi-factor authentication, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. After successfully signing in, Microsoft Teams will load your main dashboard. From here, you can access chats, join or schedule meetings, view your teams and channels, and collaborate with others all in one place. If you're signing in for the first time, Teams may ask a few setup questions or prompt you to download the desktop app for a better experience. You can choose to continue in your browser or install the app, depending on your preference. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Microsoft Teams and are ready to start collaborating. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tutorials.